How to get Grab receipt in email. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Grab receipt in email. To do that, you simply need to add or update your email address. First of all, open your Grab application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom right, you'll be able to see the account icon. Tap on the account icon and then here you will need to scroll down to find Help Center option. Once you find the Help Center, tap on it to open it. And once after reaching to the Help Center page, here you'll be able to see the search bar. Tap on the search bar and there type in receipt. You will get the search suggestions here. Tap on this I'd like a copy of my receipt. Once you tap on it, here you'll be able to see how you can get a copy of your receipt. For that, you will need to update or add your email. To do so, here it says that first of all, you will need to tap on account and then go to edit profile. Then enter your email address and then tap on the save in order to add it. You'll also need to verify your email to begin receiving it. After reviewing these details, come back to the home page. Here again tap on the count icon at the bottom right and here tap on the pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you tap on the pencil icon, you will reach to this page. Here make sure you have added your email address. If you haven't added your email address, you will need to tap on it and enter your email address. After that, a verification link will be sent to your email address. You will need to tap on the link and then you'll be able to add your email here. Once after doing that, if you want to update your email, then you simply need to tap on the email, clear it and enter a new one. After adding the email, tap on the save option at the top right. A verification link will be sent to your new email. Tap on the OK button and now open your email. You'll be able to see the link inside the email. Scroll down to find it. Tap on the verify email address option and you will be redirected to the browser. Here once you see this interface on your screen, now you can return back to their Grab application. Once after verifying the email address, you will be able to see the tick mark at the right side of your email address. Now you will start receiving the Grab receipts via email. So by following these steps, you should be able to successfully receive your Grab receipts via email. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.